Hi, welcome to the Z Gym and welcome to my six-pack summer abs workout number 6. This workout is, as always, yoga and Pilates inspired. We're gonna be adding some ab moves into it. So I want you to start at the edge of your exercise mat, and we're gonna start with the flow as always. So you're gonna inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend from your hips. Put your fingertips on the ground. Look at your knees. Now you can bend one knee at a time, just to loosen it up a little bit. Move your hips. Now lock your knees, inhale into flat back. Exhale, hands on the ground and step into the plank. Now make sure to brace your core and inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to do chaturanga, so bend your elbows, go down with your body. Now inhale and get into upward dog. Stretch your abs, look forward. Inhale and exhale into downward dog. So lock your knees. Try to get your heels as close to the ground as you can. Relax your neck. Push into the ground with your hands, spread your fingers. Now go on your 4. And the first exercise for our abs is going to be plank, so we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Get ready and hold. And breathe. Make sure that you're not dropping your hips. Do not push your hips up either. Make sure that your body is in one straight line. And just breathe through it. Keep your neck in neutral position. Really brace your abs. And that's good. Now, I want you to inhale, exhale into chaturanga again. Inhale, upward dog. Stretch your abs. Exhale, downward dog. And now flip so that your belly is pointing towards the ceiling. And we're going to do reverse plank leg lifts. So your fingers are pointing towards your feet. You're going to extend your legs up. Squeeze your glutes, push your hips up. And now we're going to be doing leg lifts. And we're going to do 30 reps, alternating the sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Push your hips up. 10 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. I was shaking already, but we pushed through it. Okay, we're gonna do another flow. So I want you to get into the plank, bend your elbows, chaturanga, upward dog, and downward dog. And we're gonna do another plank exercise. So we're gonna be in the plank and do front tuck and then side tuck with your leg. And we're gonna do 15 reps on one leg. So get ready and let's go. Front and side, that's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Chaturanga, upward dog, and downward dog. Exhale. Relax in this position. Breathe. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, on the other leg. So you're gonna get into the plank, knee tuck forward, and knee tuck from the outside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's 15. Chaturanga, upward dog, and downward dog. Now you're gonna flip onto your back, and we're gonna do neck pull, which is a Pilates exercise. So I want you to lay on your back. You're gonna clasp your hands behind your head. Now, make sure that you're not moving your legs. Keep your legs on the ground completely. Make sure that your lower body is like totally rigid and you're not moving it at all. You're gonna be sitting up, so you're gonna roll your back up, vertebra by vertebra. Try to engage your abs. Slowly, if you feel like you can't sit up without moving your lower body, you can always help yourself a little bit with your arms. But as long as you still feel it in your abs and you're working your abs, it's a great exercise for your core, and this is your end position. Now you're gonna roll your back down slowly into the starting position. And we're gonna do 10 reps. So try to roll up. If you need to, you can bend your knees. You can put your fingertips on the ground. Roll slowly up and then sit up. That's a very challenging exercise. And roll back down. And let's try again. Roll up, sit up, and roll back down. Eventually we're gonna get there, but for now you can just help yourself a little bit, as long as you can keep tensing your abs. And that's 4. And let's try again. And down. 5. Inhale. And roll up. And slowly down. Control the movement on the way down. And up. And down. And one more time. And down. And 2 more reps. Try to get up as far as you can, and then help yourself only through the sticking point, and then pull it with your own abs. And down. And last one. And all the way up. And down. Now you should really feel it in your abs. Okay, flip over into the plank. We're gonna do another chaturanga and upward dog. And stretch your abs. And then downward dog. And now flip over onto your back again, and we're gonna do bicycle exercise. So clasp your hands behind your head. Left knee goes towards your chest, and you're gonna bring your right elbow towards your left knee, and you're gonna switch. Brace your abs again. You're gonna do 30 reps. 3, 4, 5. You're gonna go slow. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. And that's it. Sit up. Now I really feel it in my abs. I'm sure you guys too. And now, as you can see, I did exercise that I'm not that familiar with and not really good at, but that's the whole point of trying new things and pushing through it. Even if you can't do it right, it's not the point. The point is that you're exercising, you're learning new skills, and eventually you're gonna get there. So don't give up, don't get discouraged by an exercise or any workout that's in the Z Gym. Give it a try. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep moving on a daily basis, and the consistency is what matters and what's gonna get you where you wanna be. So that's it for today. Don't forget to eat right. Do not sabotage your training with bad diet, bad habits. And I will see you guys soon in the Z Gym again. Ciao.